Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily check your mobile version on your Pocketbook Inkpad Color. So first, what you guys need to do is head over to apps. Now, what you guys need to do is go over to settings in the general category. And now head over to about device right at the bottom. Here we need to click on device model right at the top, and as you guys can see, here is the information about our model. It is PB741, and that would be it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.